Introducing the Breville Smart Waffle for crispy golden waffles without all the mess. The unique Waffle IQ technology sets the correct cooking time when the batter goes in, so you get perfectly cooked waffles every time. Let's see it in action. Making waffles crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside has never been easier. And now you can make a lot more with a lot less mess. The Smart Waffle, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville. Visit foodthinkers.com to find great recipes using the Smart Waffle.